Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Casey. I am a junior at Lamar University, and this is my project for my fluids class. Today I'm hoping to explain, demonstrate, and analyze what the Magnus effect is.
So what exactly is the Magnus effect? Well, the Magnus effect is a phenomenon that occurs to a spherical object that is traveling through a liquid while a rotational spin is applied to it. The rotational spin will cause the ball to curve. Let me tell you why. So let's take this sphere as an example. Let's say it is simply traveling through air with no rotation whatsoever. So as it is traveling through air, the air particles will go to hit the ball and simply go around the ball as so, with no problem whatsoever, and it will continue its path straight. So let's say that this ball is spinning in this direction, with a rotational spin in this direction. Now, what would happen? Now, as the air goes to go to the ball, on this top part here, the rotating ball will actually accelerate the air, and it will go the same path as usual, but faster. Now, on the bottom here, the air will go to hit the ball, and it will cause a resistance, slowing down the air here. Now, because of the sped up air, a lower pressure area will be applied here. Lower pressure will be applied here. And here, since there is a resistance due to the ball spinning into the air, higher pressure will be applied here. So typically in nature, anything will want to move from a point of higher pressure to lower pressure. So because of this difference in pressure, the ball will want to move in this direction, perpendicular to where it is traveling to. So this means that the ball will end up curving in this direction. Now, this can be seen with any kind of spin on the ball. So as I showed you, as the ball will want to spin this way, then the ball will want to curve in that direction. And if the ball would want to spin this way, then the ball will want to curve in that direction. Whichever way the ball is spinning is whichever way the ball will curve to. This can be seen in sports, which is what I'm going to show you today. Now, the rest of this video and the project itself is going to be me demonstrating the Magnus effect on different types of balls, starting with the soccer ball. As you can see in those two previous videos, we kicked the ball straight with no spin, one with side spin to the right and one with side spin to the left, and the ball curved in those directions. When the ball was kicked with the right foot, it applied a spin to the left, which means it curved to the left, and when kicked with the left foot, the ball curved to the left. Now, we're going to show you another set, but with tennis balls. My favorite. As stated before, the Magnus effect is a phenomenon that occurs due to rotational energy. So, as shown in the videos, when a ball is spinning, it will curve in the direction of its spin. But another factor that affects it is the amount of spin. So let's say as the ball is spinning normally, it will go in this direction. But if a higher spin is applied, then it will have a much sharper curve and want to curve that way. Now, because none of us are actually good at, neither I nor the people that help me are actually good at either kicking a soccer ball or hitting a tennis ball with a lot of spin, we could not demonstrate the sharper curve. But there is one ball that will show the Magnus effect in its full force. A ping pong ball. Okay, there is one part of the Magnus effect that I wanted to discover and explore. So let's say we have a ball here traveling in air and the ground is down here. Now, if there's no rotational spin acting on this ball, then gravity will simply pull it down and it will go straight and down onto the ground. But let's say that we do have a rotational spin acting away from the ground, and that the ball is still moving this way. So what will happen is, if put enough spin on the ball will actually counteract the force from gravity, and it will go in a straight line and or slightly upwards until the rotational energy diminishes, and then gravity will simply pull it back down onto the ground. And now we're going to demonstrate that with the ping pong ball. So as you can see from those videos, that the ball actually went straight, and even towards the end kind of went up a little before gravity pulling it down. I hope that watching this video helped you learn more about what the Magnus effect is. And I hope that you can go out there and try it out yourself. So thank you for watching, and stay safe while doing experiments.
God dang, bro.